I am currently going through a divorce with a narcissist. After having a video call with them in regards to the divorce, so my feedback to her was, when you are going through a divorce with a narcissist, anyone that you have considered to be toxic, which means destructive to your well-being, you want to go no contact, okay? But the reason for that is you are in a delicate space, you are in a very vulnerable space, and you do not need anything adding to that confusion that you have by being in contact with them. Because these people who have narcissistic traits, people who are toxic, destructive, that is a big mistake people make, is that they think because the relationship is over, I haven't been with them, or it's been a year or 2 years, that, you know, they can't trigger you anymore. They can still trigger you if you have not done the necessary work to heal. And heal does not just mean I feel better now. Get an attorney, put your money together, get an attorney if you can, and let them handle the divorce.